Welcome to our video on the common problems in lawn sprinkler systems and how to fix them. Maintaining a healthy, beautiful lawn requires a properly functioning sprinkler system. In this video, we will discuss the most frequent issues that homeowners face with their sprinkler systems and provide step-by-step solutions to fix them. One common problem with lawn sprinkler systems is low water pressure. This can result in inadequate water coverage, leading to dry patches on your lawn. To fix this issue, you can check the water pressure at the main supply line, inspect the sprinkler heads for clogs or leaks, and clean or replace them if necessary. Additionally, make sure the valves are fully open to allow optimal water flow. Another problem that often arises in sprinkler systems is uneven water distribution. This can result in overwatered or underwatered areas, causing an inconsistent and unsightly lawn. To address this issue, you can inspect the sprinkler heads for any misalignment or blockages, adjust their spray patterns, or consider installing a system with adjustable or rotating heads to ensure even water distribution. Leaking sprinkler heads are another common problem encountered by homeowners. This can result in water wastage and potential damage to the surrounding areas. To fix a leaking sprinkler head, you can first check if the connection is secure and tighten it if necessary. If the leak persists, you may need to replace the sprinkler head or its components, such as the seal or nozzle. Many homeowners also struggle with programming their sprinkler system correctly. This can lead to inefficient watering schedules, or even no watering at all. To address programming issues, you can refer to the user manual or contact the manufacturer for assistance. Familiarize yourself with the control panel, set appropriate watering times and durations, and ensure the system is functioning according to your lawn's needs. Broken pipes or valves underground are a major cause of sprinkler system problems. If you have a section of your lawn that is constantly soggy, or if you notice water pooling in certain areas, it could indicate a broken pipe or valve. To fix this issue, you may need to dig up the affected area, locate the source of the problem, and repair or replace the damaged pipe or valve. Maintaining a properly functioning lawn sprinkler system is crucial for a lush and vibrant lawn. By addressing common problems such as low water pressure, uneven water distribution, leaking sprinkler heads, system programming issues, and broken pipes or valves, you can ensure your sprinkler system operates efficiently and your lawn stays healthy. Remember to perform regular maintenance and inspections to catch any potential issues early on. Thank you for watching.